Somebody said y'all had Chris for first round. What's
yeah, we're
happen?
gonna bet a popsicle.
A popsicle.
It's so hot.
It's so hot.
We're gonna bet popsicle.
Okay, and if we beat you really bad, you have to buy me a milkshake.
If?
Yep.
Yeah. When?
Somebody said y'all had Chris for first round. What's
Yeah, we're
happen?
gonna bet a popsicle.
A popsicle.
It's so hot.
It's so hot.
We're gonna bet popsicle.
Okay, and if we beat you really bad, you have to buy me a milkshake.
If?
Yep.
Yeah. When? Make sure you
yeah.
scream this all
Listen. She's going to have to buy me one of them big bags of popsicles. I'm talking about one of them big ones.
You're gonna
You know what I
buy
mean?
me the big
Sam.
tub of ice cream because I'm going to clean the floor with you, Chris.
Well, okay, we'll just see, boo-boo. You just wait and see.
This is the A-Gas grudge match, first round, for a bucket of ice cream or a pack of popsicles.
Popsicles. I'm gonna get my popsicle.
Popsicle, yeah. Big stakes
Man,
on
always
this.
gets his popsicle.
Yeah. Big stakes on this one.
Oh, speaking of dollar bills.
She ain't gonna get her milkshake. I'm gonna get my popsicle.
Oh, I'm
I'm
getting
gonna get my
mine.
popsicle.
I'm getting my milkshake.
Well, y'all have to go to Dino now to give me some popsicle.
What's your favorite flavor?
Great.
She said we're winning. Don't be doing that.
Look at the bright side. This will be the taste of victory no matter what flavor it is.
What is the sandbag that I keep hearing?
Yeah, stand.
Wait, can you just...
It ain't sandbag. There's your sandbag right there.
My
He
baby.
told me this morning what he was doing. I said, no wonder you 210's too slow.
My baby?
Oh, yeah.